Now have a forever home. Oh my gosh!
Ow.
Okay. Woo. Nope. Yes, please. Okay.
Oh, you all right? Oh, yeah.
Well, Ali McBoal is in Chicago for us tonight. Ali.
Because of that, Phoenix military... Sorry.
But it does look like he is probably leaning towards accepting it to avoid a shutdown.
Excuse me, because the power was out. We're also, jeez Louise.
This car's got snow on top of it, and that is the lighthouse.
Pulitzer Fountain to watch as people protest.
You'd be right to be skeptical. Thousands of traditional skateboarders.
Maybe sunshine, I'm lying about that. It's been a long time. Oh my goodness me!
Oh my word, Chris Mitchell, that will be a YouTube sensation live on the BBC News channel.
Well,
we just love it. Are you all right, love? Is your head all right?
I'm absolutely fine.
Backhand.
Oh, she did it. She did it. She hit the cameraman. There we go.
That's fantastic. I don't believe her. That's her third time.
Is he okay?
Oh, he's fine.
Did you hit his face?
Yeah, he's fine.
Who is that?
Serious injuries?
Hugs.
That's Zach, my photographer. Zach, are you okay?
Your kiss, that is good. That one's got it. Whoa! I fell on my booty.
Thank you.
I'm okay.
At Lord's to look ahead at this first test.
Actually holding up.
Thanks.
I'm all right.
Ser actriz, ahora también es toda una bailarina.
Wow.
Pero el hecho es que esta mujer.
Good evening, Mike and Tamara.
Look at that purple area. That is negative 52-degree wind chill in Minneapolis this morning. And that is Jana, our Fox Show director. Hi, Jana, making a debut.
And Fox 9's BC O'Neill Erie joining us live from St. Louis Park tonight in the West Metro with a look at some of the driving conditions there. BC? Always something.
Feliz. Uno, porque el Real Madrid ganó, obviamente soy madridista y fue una gran final. Ya van a platicar ustedes más adelante de eso, pero ya tenemos 11, somos los más grandes de toda Europa. Eso me pone muy feliz, así que felicidades a todos los...
So that's it, we're on Snow Watch again.
Oh, my kids will not be happy if we don't get a good dump.
We will, I'm sure we will. Right, that's it from us. I'll be back with an update after the news at 10. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Welcome back. We are continuing our live team coverage of this winter wallop that has blasted us here in central Pennsylvania. Want to get you back outside. Check in Bedford County right now. It's where our Jordan Tracy is. Jordan, a lot of snow today. Is it starting to turn to sleet now where you're at?
I've never eaten at a Haas's. Really? Never.
Never eaten at a Haas's either. How about the winter weather?
And we are missing Tom.
Yeah, where are you, Tom?
Well, usually there's a reopen, isn't there?
No, we're in the first half hour still.
Oh, we are? Okay. Well, let me just go and come on back here.
See, it's Friday.
It's fine.
Ladies and gentlemen, yeah.
Hello. I had to get my coffee's already here.
Oh, we're going on.
What are we talking about?
How about blowing bit of weather?
Oh, that's what we're talking about. We're going to talk about that in our next half hour coming up in just a little bit.
So, Everard, if you know of anyone having a baby shower,
There you go. Completamente despejadas por la mañana, una mínima de 24, para la tarde la máxima reportando hasta los 39 grados centígrados.
الأسواق الصاعدة هل هي بالفعل ما زالت صاعدة؟ فهي مفاتيح.
حاول أحد الموجودين الاقتراب من الرصيف البحري لالتقاط السخونة إلا أنه تعثر بشكل مفاجئ وسقط عن الرصيف البحري.
I'm going to hand the microphone over to my buddy Danny here and go Wildcats. All right, hey, Paul, get you inside. Enjoy that game. We'll see you back here at 10 o'clock. Thanks so much.
If you love drama, then you're a very happy person tonight. Never a dull moment with these Kings. At times it looked like it wasn't going to happen. Then an incredible moment occurred late in the second overtime against the Rangers.
Well, it's funny that you mentioned that because I am very happy to announce that my wife and I have a lot of baby gifts that we got to buy for some friends that, you know, are expecting. So looking forward to that. We'll buy them all at Walmart.
That's good.
You should have seen Rhonda's face.
You're doing this right now.
Oh, man.
All right, Maribel, thank you for that.
Wow.
We're not.
Wow.
Just to be clear.
Like, oh,
just to
my
be clear,
gosh.
no buns in that oven.
All right, time for a look at the weather with meteorologist Mike Rizzo. It's time for some science.
We practiced that.
We're branding it.
I can't. What just happened?
The clap needs to be involved.
Yo, I love it. All right, that made my morning. All right, it's time for, how does it go, ladies? What, show me. Clap. Science, right? Okay, I'm not going to do that on camera. All right, let's take a look at today's forecast. 37 to 38 degrees, mostly cloudy and chilly, northeast wind with 5 to 10 miles per hour. I'm holding it together, I promise.
Where we could see wind gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. High wind, where we are tracking across the Ohio Valley starting Saturday night into Sunday. That high wind watch. High wind watch. High wind watch. Okay, I think I got it. We're going to be tracking that high wind watch in place as we go throughout Saturday night into your Sunday. High wind watch. High wind watch. High wind watch. High wind watch. Why is that so hard? High wind watch. High wind watch. I'm over it.
You have to be really careful out there.
You do. We've had six consecutive days of rain. Did I?
Okay. All right. That was a Freudian slip, but we're going to pretend like we didn't hear it.
Okay, I'm gonna lose it now. Listen, it's cold outside. That's what I have to say, Tony. And it's not raining. That's the good news. Freeze warnings in effect for portions of the Ohio Valley and frost advisories elsewhere in the valleys. But we've got this cold air mass streaming in from the north. That's why it's so cold. Listen, it's going to be Tony, I blame you. Samana is watching the traffic.
I'm sorry, I can't rescue you from this one. I usually am right there for you, Maria, but
Maria, we get to rescue me. 6. She's talking about 6 days of consecutive wet weather and cold temperatures.
News 4's Bill Miston has our forewarned storm report. We're having some issues getting that right now, but we will go ahead and move on to traffic. Or not. I don't know if we're live on the air or not, so I'll just do a little dance. We're trying to figure it out. Nothing's playing. We are frozen. Maybe we could go to a commercial break, but maybe Emily and I could patty cake.
Here, you guys, I drew this earlier this morning when my computer broke.
Is this Oklahoma?
It's the forecaster today. I drew it myself, Mom. There's a sunshine.
Wait, 49 degrees today? That's way better than yesterday.
You're welcome.
Tell me more.
That's it. Upper 30s to the north. What's going on today? Are we in a time warp?
I'm not sure. Okay, Lauren, I don't know if we can go to you, but can you talk a little bit about traffic and what's happening?
I can. But the cost for her services range from $7,500 to $30,000. But it could be worth it. She has an 80% success rate.
Oh, that's pretty good. 80% success. Whoa. Oh, Freudian slip. Success rate. Yikes. Hello, Internet. Hello, Internet. That's going on there. Let's just move on, shall we? Can we please move on, Reba? I'll move on here. If you're single and ready to mingle, golly, did that go right into this next story? Lidl is playing Cupid this Valentine's Day. The grocery chain is partnering with Richmond-based dating service It Takes Two to help you find love. Single people who attend the happy hour event will get to enjoy guided wine tasting and a master class, as well as hear dating advice from Reba, stop it, from chief matchmakers at the website It Takes Two. They'll also have palm readings, and the first 30 people will get a Lidl gift card. Happy hours from 6 to 8 at the Lidl store on West Broad near Staples Mill. And bring your grocery list. So if you don't find love, at least you can find something on sale
Do
there.
grocery shopping.
Rob, we all knew what you meant. We all knew what you meant. It's just Reba. Now it's Reba's reaction.
Success rate. Success rate.
Slow. Say it slowly.
Yes, ma'am.
Some scary moments for customers at a Kansas Home Depot. Police responded to reports of a bomb threat at the store in Wichita. A customer alerted employees. A man inside the bathroom said there was a bomb in the building. Police were able to locate the man responsible for those comments, and that man told police he warned other guests to leave the restroom because he was, quote, fixing to blow it up, but had no intention of causing a panic. Man also told police others in the room laughed, understanding his joke, which I'm just now getting. Home Depot says they will not be pressing charges. But I can tell you right now, you asked the producer for me to read that, didn't you? To Ethan now, please.
No.
Are we going to have to go to a commercial?
No, we're going to get it. We're going to get it. All right, we can do this. All right. Turning now to an impassioned plea in a string of thefts. Police are searching for several thieves believed to have stolen a 400-year-old bonsai tree. The missing tree, seen here, stands about 3 feet tall and 2.5 feet wide. With more than 400 points and branches. It is oh man. It is green with a brownish curved trunk that tilts a bit to the side, as you can see. The owners of the tree, 5th generation bonsai masters, would like to send a message to the tree. Quote, "Are you at least getting enough water?" End quote. The owners say they've raised this tree as their own child and they are desperate to have it home. It's estimated to be worth about $90,000.
Szép számmal érkeznek a további üzenetek. Idős Balázs Lajosnak születésnapja alkalmából
O povo na ponta da língua, onde é que a gente vai? Olha lá, os turistas croatas, tudo bem? Todo mundo muito simpático, todo mundo hermano aqui, pega de surpresa.